Lux Blaze lighter promote as powerful survival tool rather than a regular lighter, claiming to work in almost any condition including rain, strong winds, and harsh environments. It is marketed as a reliable option for camping, travel, and daily use. The product highlights a 2,300-degree plasma flame, along with features like windproof and rainproof performance, adjustable flame control, safety features, and a so-called military-grade build, presenting itself as a durable and high-performance lighter. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we take a closer look, there are several concerns you should be aware of. The website makes very bold claims, like the 2,300-degree plasma flame, but there's no solid proof to support it. There are no lab tests, certifications, or real evidence showing that the lighter actually performs at that level. It's easy to make such claims, but without proof, it becomes questionable. Another thing to notice is the pricing strategy. The product is often shown with big discounts, sometimes up to 50% off, along with phrases like limited time offer. This kind of urgency is commonly used on low-trust websites to push people into buying quickly without thinking too much. The lighter is also advertised as fully waterproof and windproof, but again, there's no real-world testing or demonstrations available to confirm this. In real survival situations, reliability matters a lot, and without proper proof, it's risky to depend on such a product. There are also reports from some users saying they received a different type of lighter than what was advertised. Instead of a true USB plasma lighter, they got a basic butane lighter. That's a big red flag because it directly contradicts the main selling point of the product. The term military grade is another thing to be careful about. It sounds strong and reliable, but in most cases, it's just a marketing phrase without any official standard behind it. No certification or proof is showing that this product actually meets any military specifications. Even though it's promoted as a survival essential, the questionable reliability makes it hard to trust in real emergencies. A survival tool should be dependable, and right now, there's not enough evidence to support that. The website also mentions a 90-day money-back guarantee, but there's no strong proof of actual customer support or successful refunds. Many similar websites make these promises, but when it comes to claiming a refund, users often face issues. Lastly, there's a lack of transparency about the brand itself. There's no clear information about the company, where it's based, or who's behind it. This makes it harder to trust the product overall. So in the end, while the Lux Blaze lighter might look impressive with all its features and claims, there are enough red flags to make you think twice before buying. It's always better to be cautious and do proper research before spending your money on products like this.